If you're fortunate enough to have a portable jump pack and you don't need another car to jump your car, I'm gonna show you how to use the portable jump pack. This is if you have an already charged pack that you can just hook up straight to your battery. Obviously, the first things first, you gotta pop the hood and get underneath to the battery. Most cars, the battery will be located right under the hood, either on the left or the right side. However, sometimes they are in the trunk depending on your car. That's something that you can very easily Google if you're not sure. I will link this product down in the description. This is a Goodyear jump pack. This does 900 peak amps and it's made for smaller engines like a 4.0 liter engine. Ultimately, it's made to jump almost any 12-volt battery, which is what is in most cars. However, if there's a deep cycle battery or something that's more volts than a 12 volt, this may not do the trick. Once again, I'll link this down in the description and you could use this product if you're looking for something like this. This one's actually pretty great. It also comes with not only a case, but a flashlight, a couple phone chargers. So there's a couple of USB ports on the side that you could plug a phone charger into. And then I believe it will also wirelessly charge your phone right from the jump pack. So pretty neat and definitely something that's worth having in kind of a handy car kit inside your car. So right on the side of this jump pack, there's a plug. You're just going to plug in this piece right here, and ultimately that will get the jump pack ready to hook right up to your battery. Make sure that you're putting on the black to the negative side of the battery and then the red to the positive side. You can see that they're kind of labeled here, positive, and there'll be a negative written on the battery here. The red obviously signifies that as well, and this you would just hook up right under this rubber piece or plastic piece. Some cars have a little snap there, and you would just hook that up to there. This jump pack will also tell you a couple things. One is how much juice is left in the pack itself. And a second thing is this light on the side. This actually shows that there is correct contact. Once it's hooked up, it will read as red if it's not charged, or if the battery's totally good, it will read as green. If your battery does in fact have 12 volts, it will tell you with a green light, and if it's low, it will tell you with a red light, and then proceed to charge the battery. So if it has a green light, which this one's all good to go, then you can just disconnect it. You know that your battery has 12 volts. And then if your car won't start for another reason, then that's typically because of a different problem to do with the car, maybe the starter or wiring or something of that sort. But like I said, this is a very handy tool to have in your car. I highly recommend throwing one in the back and keeping it charged, maybe plugged into your car even. This can be charged through the car cigarette plug, which is another great thing as well. Fantastic product. That's going to be all for jumping your car with a jump pack that's already charged up. If you want to see more about how to jump your car with a different car, be sure to check in the upper right corner. I'll link that video there if you'd like to know how to do that as well. But that's going to do it for this video. Hopefully this helped. We have content like this coming out all the time to help you either work on your cars or be entertained with your car or with our cars in the same process. If you found this helpful, be sure to like the video and definitely subscribe. We come out with content all the time and post about twice a week here on YouTube, so be sure to check that out. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you next time.